Oh. Sala. See? See? Bayanihan? I'm spending my Sundays here for the first time this year. Just decided to stay.
Dating na nila sa ako, yari, iwan tayo, sige.
That's the face you wouldn't want to see anywhere.
Ay, nakayaw ko sa'yo, no. Balloon,
Stop it.
balloon,
I'll
balloon,
kill you.
Balloon, balloon, balloon.
Ang tawag dito?
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Hi. I'm Sharon.
From where? From where? That's cool.
Island of Comedian.
From... This is what they say, dining room. Pero hindi naman talaga yung dining room.
Dirty room.
It's dirty room. Well, it can be also categorized as
Dirty kitchen.
dirty kitchen or storage room. Yeah, marami siyang tawag. This is my Lola. Lola, say hi.
No.
My Lola's birthday is after a month. Oh, di ba? Kaya hello ka lang sa mga taga-Dubai. Dali lang. Sige na lang, mag-hello ka. Ay, ang kwarto pala, ang kwarto. Teka lang, ang kwarto namin bago ang bedsheet. Okay, ito na. Pangalawang computer. Ang CR na lagi malinis. Kaya ito siya. Ito, bigay ni ma'am. Yan. Gusto niya talaga siya yung focus eh. Ganun na.
Yung buo. Gano'n siya kakalat. Hindi mo lang
This is
linis-linis.
it. Ito ang higaan namin. Woo. Ito yung chinelas ni ate siya. At may TV dito. Dati wala. Ba't ganun parang hindi organized pag tinitingnan sa picture? These are the books.
Okay.
May text siya. Happy.
Load.
Wow. From your textmate. Kwarto namin to. Napagtiisan namin to. Joke! Yun. Ang mga unan. At iyon ang aking damitang kalat. Iyon si Bunbun na hindi naliligo madalas. Ang bad ko. Ayan. Sige na. Dapat nakahiga ka for demo. Ano yan? Bago. Gawa mo.
Ano?
Parang sobrang baba niya, ha?
Mahaba yan. Hanggang dito lang yan.
Hanggang dito?
Hanggang dito!
Bende daw po meron nila uncle. Sige.
Just get money.
Saan?
From your pocket. Cartel Antinets. I can show you my new PC kasi sarado yung room. Ano, bukas pa na. This is where I used to.
Oh, dito ako.
Ito, very old. That's the new one. That's where I used to see. He's sleeping. My cousin. Okay. There you go.
Sharon.
Ako na naman.
Oh, ikaw.
So let's pause and stop from here. Bye-bye, Lola. Final words. Namiss niyo na po si Uncle.
Si Uncle ba yan?
Ilalagay ko po sa Friendster. Para makita nila, ante. Yan. So, that's it. Fox, bye-bye. Ang aming garden pasaway. Okay, that's all. My uncle. Santa Claus. Somewhere. Bye. I'm your tour guide. Kaya phone yan? Grabe naman yan. Who's that? Final face, final face. Grabe, gorgeous. Okay, stop.
Ako, magkakalat sa Friendster.